What's good, guys? It's your girl Kiesha Arielle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to start your lock journey using the braid lock method. So let's get into it. And for those who are curious to know, we are demonstrating this tutorial on a TWA measuring 3 inches long. Okay, so before starting any lock journey, it's always best to ensure that your hair and your scalp are clean, oiled, and moisturized. However, I wasn't able to show that step in today's video as my son had already done this step himself the day before. It is important to know at this point whether you want a center part or a side part before continuing, as this will impact your parting pattern. Be sure to check the link above for a list of different parting patterns, lock sizes, and lock methods you may want to consider before starting your lock journey. Nonetheless, once this is done, you're going to want to proceed with your desired pattern and parting size for your starter locks. In today's video, I will be using the grid pattern and the braiding method for this starter lock tutorial. Once you're happy with your grid and section size, then continue with your desired 3-strand braiding technique. Then you're going to repeat each step until it's all finished. So I'm trying to attempt to show you guys how I execute my 3-strand braiding technique, but every time I'm trying to get my son's head in frame, you know, it just goes right out of frame. But I hope you guys get an idea of how to do it. Now, as his hair is only 3 inches long, some of the braids may not lay as flat as others, but this can be fixed by covering the hair with a do-rag, wave cap, or scarf. Once your hair is completed, from here you want to ensure that you maintain your usual wash day schedule, keep your hair and scalp moisturized, do weekly maintenance to help minimize buildup, for example picking or brushing out any lint, etc., and be patient as you allow your hair to lock. Do not unravel your braids at any point unless you no longer want to continue with your lock journey. I hope you found today's video very helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. So until next week Sunday at 5 p.m, we will be right back here with another video.